Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I'm halfway through getting dressed to go out later, but I want to hop on really quickly because I keep getting these notifications on my Instagram. Thankfully, I don't have notifications sent to my phone because I would not get any rest. I made a video on Instagram 2 days ago and it's catching steam. When I made the video, I thought it was hilarious, and most people do. Most people do think it's hilarious. Most people get it, but a lot of people don't get it. And that's why I'm making this video, just to vent, because I know the people watching this video are the people who get it. So this may be pointless, but I need to get it out. Okay, I need to get this out. So here's the video that I posted. If you don't follow me on Instagram, here it is.
Hold on, I got a Ku Klux Klan member on my page. Let me block this Ku Klux Klan member.
So if you can't see the comment that I put in the video, it says commenter, quotations, girl, why your head look like that? You need a retwist. Raise eyebrow face. Me lip syncing that I'm blocking the KKK member, I'm referring to the person who made that comment about, girl, why your head look like that? Get a retwist. It's like internalized anti-blackness to feel like someone needs to have their hair freshly groomed in order for it to be presentable. That is, I mean, it's more than just anti-blackness. It's also respectability politics, but that's another subject. So the people who got it, right? But that video, it picked up so much steam. It got so many shares and so many saves. And that when the algorithm sees that, boom, now they're showing it to people outside of your niche and they're showing it to everybody. So now the people who don't look like us are seeing the video and are getting offended. I guess because the Dr. Umar audio is referencing the Klan, they think that I'm talking to white people. But I want to be clear here. I put the quotation on the screen. Girl, why your head look like that? You need a retwist. That's not how white people talk. I'm not talking about white people. This is a black conversation here. This is a black conversation here. White people don't tell black people they need a retwist. White people don't know what a retwist is. The only time white people ever comment on my hair is when they say, nice braids. I love your braids. You have beautiful braids. That's it. That's it. They're not telling me I need a retwist. It's not happening, all right? And honestly, in my experience, partially because I do keep my hair retwisted. I retwisted my hair live on YouTube last night. So if you want to see that video, check it out. It's up. It's posted on my lives. So yeah, I do keep my hair twisted more often because that's my personal preference. However, if you like it to look more free, that is up to you. If you like it to look more groomed, that is up to you. It's completely up to you. And I do understand that sometimes when it comes to us looking at other people or the opposite sex or whatever our dating preference is, we do have our preferences. Like for instance, I do prefer a man who's more clean cut. Yes, yes, that might sound like oxymoronic because I like men with locks, but I do like my men to keep up with their shape ups and their lineups and their beards, like, you know what I'm saying? But I don't tell the man that I'm with, oh, you should get your beard lined up more often. You should get your hairline taped up more often. Like if he asked me, I would tell him, oh yeah, this is what I like. And then he'll be like, oh, I don't do it. I don't do that. Fortunately, I like you for you. So I do understand, like, you know, telling people in your lives how you prefer their hair to look. If it's like, you know, maybe your romantic partner or whatever. That's up to y'all. That's up to y'all. That's none of my business. When it comes to comments on social media, that's when it's my business. Let's try our best to not offer our unsolicited opinions. Let's try our best to respect others' wishes for what they choose to do with their locks. If you ask me for tips or suggestions, I will always be there to offer you a starting point, and then you can find your way from there. Learn what your own hair likes, learn what you like, how you prefer to maintain your hair. I'll give you like a nice baseline, generic piece of advice, and then you take it from there. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to tell you what you're doing is wrong unless you're not washing your hair at all. If you don't wash your hair, don't tell people you watch my channel. Don't tell people you watch my YouTube channel. Don't tell people you follow me on Instagram if you do not wash your hair. So with that being said, I'm going out on the town tonight, and that's why I wanted to do my retwist last night. I have to groom my hair regularly. As you know, I have fine textured hair. When I don't groom it regularly, it starts to break. Where the new growth meets the lock, that's where it starts to break when I don't keep it retwisted. So I do retwist my hair once a month, so every other wash. And of course, I use the Light Locs gel for my retwist. Look at it. It looks so good. I feel like it hasn't looked this good in a long time. The bun is smooth. I don't know. I think everything is hitting. And I use the Light Locs gel. This is what it looks like. It's a light green color. A very little goes a long way. You just need a touch of it. A touch. Like a touch. I worked with a chemist to formulate this gel really well so that a little goes a long way. My favorite part about this gel, besides the hold, is the smell and the feel. It has peppermint essential oil in it. So the smell of peppermint and the feel of peppermint is abundant. So if you've been looking for a cruelty-free, vegan, natural hair gel, check out my products while it's on sale. So of my Light Locs product line, this is one of the products that makes me the most proud. This, like, so much hard work and energy went into this product. The ingredients are high quality. It's normally $35, but today it is $19.99 a jar. So this weekend is a great time to stock up while they are on sale. Grab as many as you can while supplies last, all right? No code needed. The price is already marked down on the shop. Shout outs to the retwist police. We see y'all. Okay, I love me a good retwist. Okay, I love me a good retwist. But just don't tell me when to do it. Okay, I'll retwist my hair when I'm good and ready. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Love, Light, and Locs.